Hi, this is Riley. Welcome back. Tonight is the Noche de San Juan. The beaches are going to be packed, the bonfires lit, and everyone is ready to welcome the summer. It's one of the best nights of the year, especially for our generation. But while the music is playing and the crowds are gathering, there is a massive safety net rolling out right behind the dunes. The Guardia Civil and local police are setting up extensive checkpoint funnels flanking every single coastal access road, including the N332 along the coast. They are out there with digital breathalyzers and saliva screening kits, and they are enforcing a strict zero-tolerance mandate. Now, I've talked many times about the permanent, shattering trauma a single crash leaves behind for families, first responders, and even the person responsible. And we've already agreed that real friends do not let friends drive under the influence. But tonight, I want to talk about the quiet decisions that happen right before you leave the beach. At 2 or 3 in the morning, when the fires are dying down and everyone is exhausted, it's incredibly easy to fall into a dangerous mental trap. Someone looks at you and says, "You've only had a couple, you're fine," or "Just take the back roads." The police aren't checking there. We try to do this frantic internal calculation, telling ourselves that because we feel completely awake or because we took a stimulant, our reflexes are totally intact. But biology doesn't care about a vibe. I explained last time that data from the European Transport Safety Council proves that substances do not mix with physics. Alcohol slows your brain's processing speed, while psychoactive drugs trick you into a state of false confidence while actively narrowing your peripheral vision. And if you combine the two, your statistical risk of a fatal collision explodes by up to 30 times. You aren't hyper-focused. You are operating a multi-ton weapon while completely detached from reality. That is why the only safe number tonight is an absolute 0. No calculations, no compromises. Lock in your taxi, use the night bus, or assign a dedicated sober driver before the first drink is poured. But there is one more thing we need to address tonight, and it's a habit that needs to stop right now. We all see the group chats lighting up, or people flashing their high beams to warn oncoming traffic that a police checkpoint is sitting just around the corner. We tell ourselves we're being helpful, saving a mate from a heavy fine. Let's be completely honest. That is not a favor, it is complicity. When you tip off an impaired driver to help them avoid a breathalyzer, they don't magically become safe, they stay on the road. And 5 minutes down the tarmac, when their delayed reaction time misses a pedestrian or a solid white line, they hit someone, an innocent person walking home from the beach, a family, your friend, you. They cause the exact irreversible devastation we've investigated before. Those checkpoints are the literal line between a great summer and a closed casket. Tonight, enjoy the fires, protect your crew, choose 0, and keep the checkpoint locations to yourself. Let's make sure everyone makes it home to see the summer. Remember to follow and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. I'm Riley Villa, and I will see you next time. And if you want some great summer tunes to help you celebrate, check out my website, rileyvia.com.